permit. 1 second. My friends is coming. Yeah. This permit is Turtuk permit, na? Yeah. Okay, fine. And this is the permit, 6 member. This is 5 and 1 member in this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ladies 1, 2 member, 3, 4, 5, and this one 6.
Bike number.
Hey, bike number. K16. EL. EL 0352. 352. So they didn't.
Army protocol maybe.
Protocol. Okay, fine.
Hey, what are the batteries?
No. Okay, bro. Thank you. ಗೈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಹೋದರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಟೋಕಾಲ್ ಥರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಲೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಂದು ಕೆಳಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಯಿಂದ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಆ ಲೆವೆಲಿಗೆ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೋಡ್ ಖರಾಬಾಗಿರುತ್ತಂತೆ, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತಂತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಸಿಯಾಚಿನ್ ವಾರಿಯರ್. ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಒಂದು 300 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ರೋಡ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ರೋಡ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಟಾರ್ ರೋಡೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನಾವು ವಿ ರೀಚ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿ. ಗೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಅದು ಬಂದು POK, ಅದು ಬಂದು ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾವಿರೋ ಈ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಬಂದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವ ಲೆವೆಲಿಗೆ ಕ್ರೇಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಗೈಸ್ ಓಟ್ಸಿದು ಮುಗಿ ಬ್ರೋ KR RK ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ತಗೊಬಂದು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆದರು. ನಾನು ಶಿವಬ್ರು ಬಂದು ಏನೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಲೈಟಾಗಿ ಒಂದು 10ರಿಂದ 15 ನಿಮಿಷ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ನಮಗಿಟ್ಟು 2 ಬತ್ತೂ ನೆಟ್ಟಿದೆಯಾ,
ಇಂకొకటి ನೆಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಯಾ,
ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ವೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಗಿಡಿಯಾದು
ಫುಲ್ಲು ಆ್ಯಪ್ರಿಕಾಟೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ಊರು ಫುಲ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ರಿಕಾಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಬೆಳೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಗೈಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋರು ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ವಸ್ತುಗೂ ಒಂದು 3-4 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ ನಡೆಯಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಜುಲೈ ಗೈಸ್ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲೂ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಫ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೂಪರ್. ಬಾಲ್ಟಿ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಂ. ಈ ಮಸೀದಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಖಂಡಿತ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಫುಲ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿನೇ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ತಮ್ಮನೇಲ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಫ್ರೇಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ತುಂಬ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಬಂದು ಮಸೀದಿ. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಲೆವೆಲಿಗೆ ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸತ್ವಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ 3 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ರೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಡಿಸ್ಕಿಟ್ಗೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸತ್ವಿ. ಗೈಸ್ ಆಪ್ರಿಕಾಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಆಪ್ರಿಕಾಟ್. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು 8 ನಿಮಿಷ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇದನ್ನು ಬಂದು 3 ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ತ್ಯಾಕ್ಷಿ, ತುರ್ತುಕ್ನ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಓಟ್ಸು, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೂರಿಸಮ್. ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟು ಅದೇ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಏನೋ ಜೀವನ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಸಮಾಧಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಉರ್ದುವಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸಮಾಧಿಗೆ, ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಟು ಸೂಪರ್ ಫೀಲು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೆಫೆ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಒಂದು ಬಂತು, ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು. Guys, see your camp in border. Subha bro.
How are you, bro?
Yeah.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, I am fine.
To Border Cafe.
Yeah, thank you.
Cafe.
Where is school?
Niche.
Need to come this route? Okay, fine. ಓಕೆ ಬ್ರೋ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದು ಟ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ವಿಲೇಜು. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಆ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ್ POK. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದು LOC ಬಾರ್ಡರು. ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಟ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ವಿಲೇಜು. ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್. ವೇರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್? ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಗೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ W ಶೇಪ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೆ. ಈ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ದಾಟಿದ್ರೆ POK. No one stay in Tang. There is people is there or not? Tang village.
Tang village, another this Pahad, another.
Okay.
Tang village available.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Guys, we are at Pakistan school. But ಇವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ರಾಫೆಟ್ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್. ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು 30 ನಿಮಿಷ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ 1973. 1971 ತುರ್ತುಕ್ ಬಂದು ಅಂಡರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಟಲಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ್ ಅವರು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದವರು. ಇವಾಗ ರನ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ವಾವ್ ಬ್ರೋ, ವಿ ರೀಚ್. ಕೊನೆಗೂ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನ ನೋಡಾಯಿತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನು ಇದು ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು 3 ಅವರ್ ರೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ವಾವ್, ಹುಡುಗನೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಐ ಲವ್ ಮೈ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಬ್ರೋ, ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಈಸ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ಓಕೆ.
स्कूल अभी नीचे क्या बोलते हैं, अभी 2015 में नीचे लगा.
Okay, fine. After that it's running before that.
Yes.
Okay, fine sir. Thank you.
Very taste like.
No, like rice item or what?
No. Like cake.
Okay. Kisir moskut, like cake. Okay. Fine. Okay. ಬಾಲ್ಟಿ ಬಟರ್ ಟೀ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಟರ್, ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ನ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡೋದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಇನ್ ಗಿಲ್ಜಿಟ್ ಬಾಲ್ಚಿಸ್ತಾನ. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಆಪ್ರಿಕಾಟ್ ಸೂಪ್. ಓಕೆ. ಕಿಸೂರ್ ಮಸ್ಕುತ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿಲ್ಜಿಟ್ ಬಾಲ್ಚಿಸ್ತಾನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ ಬಾಲ್ಟಿ ಬಟರ್ ಟೀ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೋವಾ ಟೀ ಇದು ಬಂದು ಗಿಲ್ಜಿಟ್ ಬಾಲ್ಚಿಸ್ತಾನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಫೇಮಸ್ಸು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಿಸೂರ್ ಮಸ್ಕುತ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈ 3 ಐಟಮ್ ಬಂದು ಆವಾಗ 1971 ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ ಅಂಡರ್ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ, ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ ಅಂಡರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ತುರ್ತುಕು ಟ್ಯಾಂಗ್, ಆವಾಗ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಂಗಾಗೈತೆ. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ ಜನ್ರೇಷನಾಗೆ ಇದು ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಗಿವ್ 1 ಕಪ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕಪ್. ಗೈಸ್ ಇದು ಬಂದು ಕಿಸಿರ್ ಮಸೂದ್ ಅಂತೆ. ಇದು ಬಂದು ಬಾಲ್ಟಿ ಬಟರ್ ಟೀ ಅಂತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಗೈಸ್. ಇದು ಬಂದು 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, ಇದು ಬಂದು 30 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಏನೋ ಬಟ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಶಿವೊಬ್ಬರು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮೂರಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಬಾಲ್ಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಲೋಕಲ್ಸ್ ಫುಡ್ನ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಒಂಥರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಗೈಸ್ ಉಪ್ಪ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕುಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ದೇವ್ರಣೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವೊಬ್ರು ಆಲೆ ಮುಖ ಒಂಥರ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ನಮಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಯಾವುದು ಕುಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಟೀನ, ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಥರನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟರ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಪಕ್ಕ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದರು, ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes, brother.
Where will be your stay today?
Today we are going to Diskit.
You are going to Diskit.
Yes.
ಯಾ
What you are feeling at here?
Yeah, it is good, but tomorrow we have planned to go to Pangang, so that will be very far. So that's why today we are moving to Diskit.
ಇದು
And
this is different dish.
yeah, this is totally different dish.
Yeah.
And very healthy. And this buckwheat
Okay.
that is found only in this particular region.
Okay. This is buckwheat.
Buckwheat,
It's
yeah, buckwheat.
prepared from buckwheat.
Yeah, prepared from buckwheat.
Okay, okay.
And buckwheat is found only
ಇದು ಬಂದು ಬಗ್ವೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಇದಿದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಂತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಓಕೆ.
Pakistani army before 16 December 1971.
70?
1971.
75.
71. 1971.
Ah, okay. 70.
Yeah, and at the time of 1971, a firing took place in this particular region.
Mm-hmm.
And the Indian army fired upon the Pakistani army, and the number of Pakistani army was very less.
Oh.
Due to this, they ran away from this particular region, and the whole area was captured by the Indian army.
Indian army.
Up to 25 kilometers.
Okay, okay.
There's a school
Yes,
which
we
was
saw.
constructed by the Pakistani government,
Mhm.
and it's run by the Indian government. And on all the advantageous position, the Pakistani armies are there, and they are watching us, and whatever we are doing at here, they are clearly watching us.
Oh, okay.
And from 1999 up to 2004, war took place in this particular region,
Here.
and both the countries lost their armies. And the main motto of 1999 war was to again recapture this whole region up to 25 kilometers. But the Pakistani army failed to
Capture it.
recapture this particular
Okay.
region. And the fruits of this village is concerned, the people used to grow apricot,
Yeah.
apple,
Apple.
and walnut.
Okay.
And this particular land is very fertile for the cultivation of apricot.
Yeah. I
as
can
well as
see
the buckwheat.
So many apricot trees.
Yeah.
Weed.
Yeah, buckwheat. This one is
Oh,
buckwheat.
this
Yeah,
is
this
buckwheat.
particular is buckwheat.
Okay.
And when the Indian army reached at here, they firstly host the Indian flag, that is tricolor flag, at this particular region.
Okay.
Here. Okay.
At that time, the people of Pachatang village is there.
Yeah. I
Okay.
sat down.
They came here to invite the Indian army, to talk with the Indian army, and the people of our village, they talked with the Indian army. There was a major, that is SK Singh, and the whole area was captured under the presence of Major Ringchen Nambiar.
Okay.
He belongs to the Ladakh Scout Regiment, that is of Ladakh.
Yeah.
And the people came here and they met with Major SK Singh, and they interact with Major SK Singh, and then the Major SK Singh, he just patrolling all over this region, and he talked with the people of this region, and the people of this particular region, they understood about the Indian army, and from that point of moment, they are just respecting the Indian army, and they are just doing the works for the Indian army, and they are just fetching various types of things to the Indian army on the various posts. And as you know, on all the advantageous position, I already told you,
Yes.
the Pakistani armies are there, and they are watching us.
Yeah.
And due to this, it's very difficult for the Indian army to go there, and
they can watch.
to go there and to just watch the Pakistani army. So our people, they used to fetch the things like ammunition, like food, like water, like kerosene to the Indian army on the top of the mountains with the help of donkeys.
Donkeys.
Donkeys, yeah.
And the Nepali porters are also there. They also used to fetch these types of substances.
Okay.
Okay.
And the greenery is concerned, the village is totally green.
Yeah.
And there is a village that is Thang.
Thang,
Yeah.
yeah.
From that village, the relatives of that particular village, they are in Pakistan. And if they want to meet with their relatives, then they have to go through Wagah border. If the Indian Army will allow them to go through this route,
Okay.
then it will take maximum of 30 minutes to meet their relatives.
Oh.
Yeah.
Maximum of 15 minutes.
Otherwise, the Tang village peoples go to Kartarpur.
No, not from Kartarpur, from
Okay.
Wagah border, from Amritsar.
Okay, fine.
Oh,
And
They allowed, huh?
what?
They allowed.
Yeah, after making visas,
Oh,
after
visa.
taking
Okay,
visas
fine.
as passport, after that they can go there. Otherwise, they will not allow them to go.
That is too strange.
Yeah. And during 1999, the Pakistani army tried to target our ammunition depot
Okay.
and the artillery gun post.
Oh.
But they failed to target the ammunition depot and artillery gun post. Due to this, the bomb used to hit there. Due to this, the people of this village, they used to live under the bunkers. Bunkers that is dug inside
yeah,
the soil. They used to live inside the bunkers. From 24 hours, they used to spend 18 hours inside the bunkers.
Oh.
Inside the bunkers, you can imagine.
Yeah, it's very difficult.
And from Thang, the people you can see another village that is Pranu.
Okay.
And the distance between the Pranu and the Thang village is I think
2 kilometers.
maximum 1 kilometer. Maximum 1 kilometer.
Okay.
And in between them, ambush are there. Ambush means mines.
Oh.
Okay.
If someone try to go to Pakistan and if someone try to come to our village, then mine will burst and
Yeah. It will be
bad thing will
disaster.
happen. Due to this, and in the way you saw the Chulunka bridge.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Chulunka bridge. Up to Chulunka bridge, Pakistani army was there.
Oh, okay.
Up to Chulunka bridge, that is up to 25 kilometer, Pakistani army was there. And if you will go beyond Chulunka bridge, then the Indian army will be there. So at that point of moment, during 1971, only firing took place. No any war took place.
No war, only.
Because the number of armies of Pakistan was very less. Due to this, they ran away from this.
Ah,
And there was a lack of ammunition for that armies. Due to this, they ran away from this region, and the Indian army they just come
Took
came,
over.
came behind the Pakistani army.
okay.
And at that time, the people of our village used to go to Siksa village, Skardo and Siksa village to took education.
That is in Pakistan or?
Yeah, that is in Pakistan. That is in Pakistan.
That is
You
under
know, you are
Pakistan.
under Baltistan area. You are under Baltistan area.
Yes.
In
Ah.
Baltistan, there are 4 districts.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Our language is
Balti.
same.
Yeah,
Our
yeah.
living standard is same. Our
Yeah.
dishes are same. Each and everything are same. You know, in Ladakh, there is only 1 district. But in Baltistan, there are 4 districts. You can
Yes.
imagine how large Baltistan
Main
is.
city is Kardo.
Yeah, main city is Kardo.
Yeah.
Now our main city is Ladakh. At that time, our main city
Yeah,
is Kardo.
there is only that Karakoram highway is going
Yeah,
near
Karakoram highway.
Khardu.
Yeah. Karakoram.
Okay.
And Baltistan.
Yeah.
And the people of Ladakh is concerned, their living standard, their way of talking is totally different from us.
Yeah.
Our origin is Tibetan. Due to this, our face expression,
Yeah.
the way of talking, our nose, they are totally different from the people of Ladakh.
Yeah. I know. After the Hundar, it's totally different.
Yeah, it's totally different. It's totally
culture
different.
and
Yeah.
some stuff.
Before, I think 500 or 600 years ago, our village was totally Buddhism. The main religion of our village was Buddhism. In whole Baltistan, the main religion was Buddhism. So, Amir Kabir Rahmatullah Alayh, he came here through the route of Baltistan, and he said about Islam and the rules and regulations
Came
of
from
Islam.
Iran, right?
Yeah. And the people of this village, they inspire on Amir Kabir Rahmatullah Alayh, and they accepted Islam.
They
After that,
converted to
it means we are converted Islam.
Yeah.
Okay.
Before we are Buddhist, and now we are
From
converted
Buddhist,
to Islam.
we converted to Islam.
We are converted to Islam.
And I think there is one masjid is there, na?
Yeah, there's a masjid on the way.
Okay.
Yeah, we saw.
You can watch.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Seen.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, brother. You gave me a lot of information.
Thank you, bro.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah.
And after reaching Pakistan, it meets with the Sindh River.
Sindhu.
Yeah, Sindh
Yeah,
River and
its
Pakistan.
name different.
Yeah, name is different.
turned
but
as
after
Sindhu.
reaching Pakistan, it meets into the Sindh River.
Sindhu River.
Yeah, Sindhu.
Okay, fine.
And the name of this river is
Shyok.
River.
Yeah.
And it is tributary of Indus.
Tributary of Indus.
Indus.
It's connecting, I think, in Durbuk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can watch the Pakistani bunkers with the help of binoculars.
Oh,
Okay,
Oh.
you can watch the Pakistani bunkers with the help of binoculars.
Okay. That mountain, that is a POK, na?
Oh, yeah. On the top of the mountain, Pakistani armies are there.
Oh.
Yeah, on the top of all the mountain, Pakistani armies are there.
Oh. Okay. Our Indian army in down.
Yeah,
They are in upstairs, up of the mountain or here?
they are down on top.
Down.
Yeah.
Okay.
And on the top of the mountain also, on the peaks, Pakistani armies are there. On the downside, Indian armies are there.
oh.
Okay. That is the advantage of Pakistan
Yeah, the
armies.
advantage is position
Yeah.
Pakistani armies.
Recently, there is in China and to Blacktop is there, na?
Yeah.
Yeah. Same like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Any relatives there in Pakistan?
Yeah, so many relatives are in Pakistan. Like
Oh.
my grandfather, my grandmother, they all are in Pakistan.
Okay, sir. Fine. In Skardu.
Yeah, in Skardu.
Okay.
I think as far as this village is concerned, almost 30%, their 30% relatives are in Pakistan.
Yeah. That is too
So
difficult, na?
You
Yeah, it's
people
too-
still in contact? You talk like very often?
Yeah, we used to talk them with the help of WhatsApp
Okay.
Okay.
and
Uh-huh.
with the help of internet.
You have visited any time to Pakistan in near like in?
Yeah, I think in future I have planned to visit
So
Pakistan and
you
meet
didn't
my-
visit before?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Is it difficult for you also to go Pakistan, something like that?
Yeah, it's not that much difficult.
Okay.
After taking visas and passport, we can
Okay.
easily go to Pakistan.
Because I heard like if you want to go to Pakistan, it is very difficult.
No.
Yeah.
They will not
And
allow.
some
No,
people
no.
said Indians are not
Allowed
entered
to.
allowed.
No. It's
Like
a
that.
fake information.
Oh, okay, fine.
All right. Because that's why I'm asking you.
Yeah.
But that is too difficult for you, sir. But your grandfather, grandmother there,
Yeah, they are
and
in
you are
Pakistan,
here. That is too difficult, seriously.
Now, if they are wishing to, come into India, it is not
Yeah, my
allowed.
grandfather, my grandmother, they are wishing to come back to our village.
Village.
But they have their son, their daughter,
Oh,
and then they are
everyone is
not
there.
giving any permission for them to come here and to
Okay,
stay.
okay.
So if they want to, they can come. India will allow them to be.
Yeah,
here.
India will allow only if after taking visas and passport.
Okay.
Otherwise, the Indian government will not allow.
Okay.
Nice. These all are new information for me. Thank you.
But your grandmother or grandfather is not come here permanently. That is not allowed.
They can't.
They're not
they can't
allowed.
come here permanently.
Okay, fine. But just they visit and they need to go
visit,
out.
They spend some days with us, some
Okay,
months
okay.
with us.
Okay.
After the completion of their months,
Okay,
then
sir.
they have to return back.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
ಇದು ಬಂದು ಈ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಬಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ತ್ಯಾಕ್ಷಿ ತುರ್ತುಕಾಗಲಿ ಇದು ಬಂದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಎಮೋಷ್ನಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಇವರೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಇವ್ರ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಅವರು ತಾತ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇವ್ರು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಅಜ್ಜ ತಾತಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಾರಂತ ನಿಜವೂ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟನೇ. ಬಟ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಮುಗಿಯುತ್ತಂತಲೂ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಗೈಸ್, ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಕೆಫೆ ಅಂತ, ಇಂಡೋ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ್ ಬಾರ್ಡರು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದು ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಅದಿದೆ. ಇವರ ಓನರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
This particular region, more on this particular.
ಟೆಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್
9469
9469
44
44
54
54
11.
11. ಖಂಡಿತ ಗೈಸ್, ನೀವು ಬಂದರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಇಂಡೋ ಪಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಕೆಫೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಖಂಡಿತ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಖಂಡಿತ ಬಂದು. ಬ್ರದರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬ್ರೋದರ್, ನೀಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್? ಶ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ. ಯಾ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಯು ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಸೌತ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್?
No,
You know about something?
no anything.
Rajinikanth.
Rajnikant.
Yeah.
Rajnikant.
Recently one film come na.
You guys watch movies here?
Yeah, the people used to watch the South movies.
Recently one come na. KGF.
What you saw me?
KGF.
Yes.
KGF 1 and 2.
1 2 is coming. Upcoming. Yeah. KGF film. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.